Gazebos are a great addition to any outdoor space, providing a shaded area for relaxation and entertainment. But, to ensure safety and stability, it's important to anchor your gazebo properly. In this video, we'll show you how to anchor a gazebo to pavers. Step 1. Choose the right anchors. Choose anchors that are designed for use with pavers. A commonly used type is a concrete screw that can be easily drilled into the pavers. Step 2. Mark the location of the anchors. Using a measuring tape, determine the location of the anchors on the pavers. Make sure that the anchors are placed in areas where the gazebo legs will rest. Step 3. Drill holes. Using a masonry drill bit, drill holes at the marked locations. Make sure that the holes are the same size as the anchors you are using. Step 4. Insert anchors. Insert the anchors into the holes and tighten them using a ratchet or a wrench. Make sure that the anchors are securely in place and do not wobble. Step 5. Attach the gazebo. Attach the gazebo to the anchors using bolts and nuts. Tighten the bolts and nuts to ensure a secure connection. That's it. With this guide, you now know how to anchor a gazebo to pavers. Thanks for watching and happy anchoring.